ছোট্ট বন্ধুরা চলো আজকে আমরা ABCD পড়ি। A for apple, A for apple. B for boy. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ink. J for jug. K for kite. L for lamp. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tap. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree.